Welcome back to another video with the Nissan Titan Cummins diesel. In this video we're going to be changing out the fuel filters. If you buy a set and it only comes with one filter, you bought the wrong set. There are two fuel filters on the 5.0 Cummins. Let me show you where they're at. Under the hood we have our first one right under there. I already loosened it up, so that's why there's a space there. You need a 28mm for that. Passenger door, rear front, driver's side passenger door. If we go underneath, we have the housing for our second filter, which is there. Also 28mm socket required to loosen that up. But before you loosen that up, start off with draining the fuel that's already in the system. So under the truck, you have this little valve here. You can use this to also drain water out of the fuel system. But pretty much all you need to do is just twist it counterclockwise and it will start draining. We're going to let this drain out for a little bit, and while that's happening, we're going to go up front. Well, I'm going to unplug this connector right here, but other than that, we're going to go up front and start changing the fuel filter up front. And on the lid, torque it down to 25 Newton-meters. From inside of the truck, congratulations, you just changed your fuel filter. Before you go and start cranking away and completely blow up your high pressure fuel pump, you need to prime the system. You don't prime it, something might break. Maybe not right away, but prime your system. Don't mess with it. Priming, super simple. And you should be able to hear the fuel pump start, and pretty much all we're going to do is just see that we need that to go away. Okay, it's gone off. So according to Nissan, you can try to start your truck right now. I'm going to do how Ford does it because I think it works a little better. Pretty much we're going to try to prime it again. Okay, we've tried it a few times. At this point, let's turn it off, turn it on, brake pedal. Pretty much, if the truck doesn't start within 30 seconds, stop trying to start it. And pretty much just let it run for a little bit and you're good. There we go, that easy. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.